This is yet another milestone event for the South Florida Water Management District, the state of Florida, and the Corps of Engineers to get Everglades restoration rolling and completed.
The Everglades is absolutely important to our way of life in South Florida. Today, we're breaking ground on a project that'll restore the heart of the Everglades. All of us came together and made this happen, from the district to Florida DEP to the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers to our stakeholders, partners, and to all of you.
It's great to be able to work so closely with the district and the Corps on all these projects, and looking forward to getting this groundbreaking and all the other components of CEPP so that we really can get into restoring the Everglades and pulling all of these different components together.
This is the true heart of the comprehensive Everglades restoration plan. This infrastructure will help redirect sheet flow to the historic Everglades, and that's what we've been trying to do.
It's so exciting to finally be at the groundbreaking of CEPP North, because it means we've already made significant progress ensuring we can flow high volumes of water into Everglades National Park and out to Florida Bay, and soon we will do just that.
This wouldn't be possible without the staff at the South Florida Water Management District and the Corps actually doing the work to get us to this day.